Hey guys, my name is Matt. This is my wife Miriam, and we're showing you the property down here at 111 Knox Street in Oquawka, Illinois. And we're starting upstairs, and I'm about ready here to show you why. This view up here is absolutely phenomenal, overlooking the Mississippi River. We bought this house last winter, and so we kind of got to see it with white in the winter, and it just gets prettier every season. Is just absolutely stellar. Part of the reason we bought this house was this room right here. Just sitting in this room, looking out these windows, it is absolutely gorgeous. Windows are in very good shape. They have it looks like a slight tint to them or something, so it's not so bright in here. But you can see the river all the way up and down, just absolutely beautiful. We did put new ceiling fans in. I'll go ahead and show you while we're up here. They are all matching from the kitchen all the way up to here with your new LED lighting throughout as well. I'll let Miriam get the switch. It has the this lighting that you can see here and there. That stuff is on a dimmer switch, I believe, correct? Yep. So it goes on a dimmer, so you can dim that if you want just a little light or not. And what's cool about this room right here that we're standing in, kind of zoom out so you can see a little better, is it overlooks our living room that we're about ready to go down to next. That's just an absolute, like, kind of a split level home almost, side on side. I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the upstairs, and then we'll kind of work our way around downstairs. But I wanted to start with that view because it is just absolutely stunning. This is the upstairs bathroom. Got your just basic bathroom sink, mirror, toilet. Does have the handicap there. Shower, bathtub. Has the adjustable head there to where you can take that as well. Medicine cabinet behind. Bedroom number one for the non-master bedrooms. Just a basic bedroom. It does have a nice little closet in there with your storage. New light up there as well. Decent hanging space. Not the biggest closet in the world, but it does have plenty of room. 10 clothes, that kind of stuff. Just to be a good kids room or even a office if you don't have the kids. Coming over here to bedroom number two. This one's a little bit bigger. I believe, yeah, it's a little bit bigger. I'd say a couple extra feet square foot wise. It has the new light as well. This one though has a really nice, kind of come over here in the corner and show you, but it has a really nice walk-in closet. Go ahead and show you that. Has the light in there. No storage in here, but I mean, you can put whatever you want in here, or this could just be a storage room for whatever.
I thought it would be a good nursery.
Good nursery, yeah, absolutely. And then there's this little cubby right here. I don't know what you'd really use this for, like maybe just a storage area, coat rack, something like that, but it's just a little cubby right there behind the bathroom. Kind of span out here just so you can see. So this is the split where you can either go downstairs or go upstairs to the viewing room, game room, whatever you want to use that for. And then behind us is the bedrooms. So we'll go ahead and head downstairs now. One of the most beautiful things about this with stairs, we had a lot of people ask, like my mom in particular, she doesn't like really steep stairs. These are very gradual. The handrails are really sturdy. It's very good shape. The stairs are probably the easiest stairs I've ever had to go up or down. Very, very nice incline and sturdy, wide steps. Down here on the bottom, I went ahead and lit the fireplace just to show you guys. We turned this on maybe about 15 minutes ago, and it's starting to really heat this room up. I'll turn it off as soon as I'm done with the video, but just a nice little gas fireplace that you can run you around just to help with the view. Even on the bottom level, the view is still very nice. You see the river and everything as well. This is the room that was overhanging right there. So it's just a nice living room, dining room, something you'd want to use that for. It flows into the kitchen, which I'll show you after the master bedroom. So the master bedroom here, right next to the steps, you can walk out there, or you can walk over here to the kitchen or the dining room area. You have a really nice, you have your front door here to where if you wanted to go out on your deck and see your view, absolutely stunning view. Just a little patio deck type thing that goes down to the yard, light outside, and then we'll show you all the outside stuff here in just a second. So it does have the same kind of lighting up there. I'm going to let Miriam go over to the light switches real quick just to show you. They are on the dimmers as well, but one of them, yeah, okay, so these ones dim out and it makes it really nice at nighttime. I've come up here, go ahead and leave that one up. You come up here at nighttime and there's LED lighting going around up in here, and it is really cool. I came up when it was pitch black outside, and it just has this orange glow to the room. You know, it's not bright, it's nothing that keep you awake at night, but it's just it's an adult night light is what it is. It's very nice. We redid all the flooring on the first level. It's got this gray and white vinyl plank wood, and it's very nice. We just did a bunch of sweeping, and I didn't see any of the bugs until I started sweeping. You know, just like the cobweb stuff from sitting and that kind of thing. It hides things so well. It's a great floor to use for the kitchen, traffic, that kind of stuff, if you're not wanting to clean like every single day.
Waterproof.
And it's the waterproof, which makes it really nice. Master bedroom, really good size. You could easily fit king beds in here. You could even put a chair or something in here if you want. You got a walk-in, not walk-in, but a very large closet. I'll go ahead and let you open that door there. You got it's the glass. You can see me, hi there. You got plenty of storage in there, and then there's lights up above as well. And then you got another little closet here with shelving in it too. And then we go into the master bath area back here. This is absolutely stunning. Obviously, you got the mirror, you're seeing me right there. You come in, you got your, we've got our new lights in here, and the sink and the mirror. The cool thing about this is if you want it bright, like if you're doing whatever, it does have the light here to make it good and bright. But if you want it dim and you want it just a nice mood setting, because we have a nice jacuzzi tub in here, and this jacuzzi tub is stunning. Like, it is great. It works really well. The hot water heater's, you know, large enough to fill this thing very easily, and it runs just the way it should. And I don't know, this is probably my favorite part of the house right here, besides the view. So yeah, all new plumbing in the toilets. The toilets have all been updated and everything there. Shower, if you want to go ahead and open that up for them. Just a standard walk-in shower, which is pretty nice. And then go into your waterproof flooring as well. This is all here in the master bedroom. So we're going to walk back out of the master bedroom. We'll come into the dining room area, or living room, whatever you want to look. Got all those beautiful windows, stairs to our left, and then we're going to walk straight down here and go into the kitchen. We upgraded the lighting. You have room for a table. I know when we originally bought this place, they had like a kitchen table or something right over here under this light, but whatever you'd like to do. It's kind of an open floor plan. Again, the matching the fans. The cool thing with the fans and the lights is they have a remote for each one. You can change the speed, the direction, no hopping up on ladders or anything like that. Turn the lights on or off. Everything you want to do with that can be done remotely, so you don't have to get up on those high ladders with the high roofs and everything. Kitchen's very modern. Has is that considered a French door? Is that kind of fridge is where they open side to side?
It's a side-by-side.
Just a side-by-side fridge. Ice maker, water, all that was working. This island is movable, I believe. Yeah, you can move the island, so if you didn't want it, you could get rid of it, but it is a nice little piece. We got the backsplash put in with the black countertops. Really makes this hardwood look really nice. You do have room for a microwave over here, corner storage, all kinds of storage with these cabinets, and they are very nice cabinets. Under here with the stainless steel sink, you have the garbage disposal in the middle. I'll show you real quick. And that works just the way it should. 3/4 horsepower right there. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. And then the sink has the head unit that has the 2 different spray levels as well. And then you have your window where you can see out front. Back side of the island has all your storage as well. We have a dishwasher, stove, everything, or the stove wise, and the water heater and the heat is all gas. And then the dishwasher is obviously going to be electric with AC. Don't know any other utilities that we have other than that. We'll see when we go downstairs, but I think that's about it. But yeah, natural gas stove makes it really nice for cooking, having that gas there. The stove works great. Everything's working just the way it should. I'll show you the fridge here if you want to grab the freezer side for me. Nice big fridge. That side-by-side is really good. The ice maker works. Everything's working just the way it should. I'll go ahead and show you just right here before we go downstairs in the basement. Right off the kitchen, you have another little like a pantry room, laundry room, half bath, something, whatever you want to use it for. They had washer and dryer in here, so you have your vent, your electric hookup, your water hookup as well, and the gas lines are ran right below, so if you wanted to run gas, you could. And then just the basic toilet sink with some storage behind me. Coming right across the hallway here by the exit, you have some basic storage here, and it does offer down below. It offers panels right there that you can get in and service the tub and the water from the master bedroom. Makes it nice so you don't have to pull anything out, dig anything out. Just nice little access panels. All right, going down to the basement. Again, like I was telling you about the other stairs, very, very nice. Handrails, good and sturdy. Steps are big, wide, and gradual incline. Makes it really nice coming down. The basement is completely dry. The neighbor next to us actually poured the foundation for this house and did an absolutely stellar job on this. It's very solid concrete foundation. It's a dry basement. We're well out of the floodplain, nothing to worry about there. Another thing that really sold us on this house was just the fact that everything has been modernized and updated. It's got new ductwork, new HVAC, all that kind of stuff is just ready to go. An older guy that was retired lived here, and so he just had everything done to where he could just live and not have to worry about fixing everything. Down here, this is your sewer line running out to your septic system. It does have a nice little thing here. I can't see it too well, but it's a warning system to let you know if things are full or if you have any problems. That way, you know, you don't have to have that worry or anything there, peace of mind type of thing there. You have your natural gas water heater. Like I said, that works absolutely great, and it's big enough to completely fill that tub with hot water as well. Newer central air and natural gas furnace. Again, works absolutely great. Cools it right down in the summer. Heats it right up. We kicked the furnace on today just to check it, and it worked just the way it should. Electrical panel, all updated, labeled. Newer panel, newer ductwork, newer conduit, and all the wiring and stuff been done there. PVC on all your drainage, and the HVAC system is hooked up to your PVC, so you don't even have to worry about a drain for that or floor drains or anything there. There is a crawl space that's underneath that 3/4 bath, and that kind of goes up and over in there. You can't really see it from here, but there is a crawl space over there so you can get underneath the surface like the sink and different items in the kitchen if you need to. Okay, heading back up the steps. We're gonna go outside, show you the garage, show you the view from the outside. All right, so we're coming over here. Shut this door. Coming out in the garage. Two options when you come out the door. You got two little steps to go to the garage, or you got the nice little wheelchair ramp as well if you are needing that. Just a single one-car garage. This would be absolutely great if you're just looking for a single-car garage, or if you're looking for like a work area. It's got some nice workbenches, plenty of storage, and it looks like it's a very well-built garage. It's kind of that lean-to style. It doesn't have the insulation on this side, but obviously this side where the house is, you'd be well insulated to where if you wanted to heat this, I don't think it'd be too hard to do that. Nice foundation. Has your that's your lights here behind me. This is the vent for I think the furnace or something. I'm not 100% sure on that one, but it just vents out. And then if you look upstairs, kind of see if I can take you up here real quick. This is just like an attic area. Yeah, there you go. Just some storage if you're needing extra storage space in your garage where you want stuff out of sight, out of mind type of deal. Like I said, not a huge garage, not anything great big and tall. You're not gonna fit a monster truck, but I would say, kind of looking at my truck, that's a 3/4 ton truck. It looks like it would probably fit in here, but it'd be pretty tight. But any of your standard cars or anything like that would fit absolutely great. All right, we'll walk around the front of the house here. Has your outdoor lighting, has your solar lighting that's motion detected. And this is kind of like your side entrance, personal entrance is what I would be using it for. So one of the great things, bad things, however you view it on the house, the house itself doesn't have a large lot to it, but it does have this large grass lot right next to it that is owned by the city. This house was built in the 80s, and this used to be a alleyway, but then they turned it into like a roadway and gave it an actual address, I believe. Or was it mid-90s when it was built?
Mid-90s.
Mid-90s. We've heard two things. We've heard 85 and 95, and we're not really, just depending on who you talk to. But this all here, like I said, it was all city-owned. We've talked to the city. They are 100% okay with you using it. Obviously, it's just one of those things. They don't want anything permanent done, like they don't want concrete laid. But they said they're okay with gravel. They're okay with parking. They're okay with total usage of whatever you want to do. And if you don't want to use it, you don't need to use it. So again, beautiful 2-story house. Gives you a little bit of gardening here if you like the landscaping style of things. I'm gonna have Miriam get up there and show you the doors. They're really nice double doors. And then you got your, and then you got your LED lighting on both sides as well. And we got LED lighting throughout the garden as well for that. A nice big double door that goes right into your kitchen. Gives you a really beautiful view, as well as entryway, like if you're trying to get anything big in your house, it makes it really, really nice to be able to get stuff in and out of the house. Over here, you just got a nice little patio area. Be great for just, you know, table, chairs, grill, that kind of stuff. You do have an outdoor spigot there, and there was one out on the front of the house. And again, it has some like outdoor outlets right there next to the doors. Down below here, we have these panels. It's kind of either or what you like. We take the panels up, we take the panels down, or put them back up, take them down. It's good for storage, like if you have a lawnmower, it'd be absolutely wonderful. If you don't have anything you're storing, you just want the panel look up, you can put the panels up. It's just kind of whatever you want there. The roof on it, on this side of the house, is an all metal roof, which makes it absolutely nice. Lifetime roofs they're just a great way to go. They hold up really well. And with all the insulation that's up in the attic, you don't really hear much when it comes to the rain or anything like that. It does have shingles. I'll kind of zoom in. You got shingles just right there on your patio thing above the porch, and then you got shingles on the garage side. But other than that, the roof is all metal. Coming around here, this is right going into the master bedroom area, down from your front porch. Makes it nice if you're working in the summer, you want to go inside, clean up, change clothes, go right to your bedroom, be able to do all that. On this side here, this is where the septic system is. This gives you your access panel right there for your septic. We had that serviced earlier this year, right?
It was this year.
Yep, we had it checked and gone through, and they said everything's in tip-top shape there. Newer central air unit, and the cool thing about the central air, the furnace, all that stuff, it was professionally done. Like, this was not a backyard company that did stuff.
It was all installed by Millards.
Yep, Millards did all the work, and it was done, I think, in 18, 19, 17, somewhere in the late teens, I believe.
Yeah.
And so it's all...
It was within the last decade.
Yeah, it's all been done really good. You can kind of see that underground, or under bedroom storage area, and you can, if you see right there, there's that wood area there. That would be what we saw down in the basement. So this is all the basement area down there. Side of the house, kind of I'll see if we can get you a view without getting the sun in here. So you got your metal roof right up there, get my finger in there, right up in here. And then where the satellite is, right up in here, this is where that is the shingled area. And again, really good shape. Got your outdoor outlets on this side. And then this takes us back to where we started. Miriam, is there anything else we need to show them? That's it. Okay, I'll just kind of come out here to the corner and show you the corner view of the house. And maybe you can kind of see the roof a little bit better. I don't know if we're going to see it too great, but yeah, you can kind of see the shingles area there. And then, like I said, all that up there is all the metal roofing. And then go around and just show you the corner on this side one more time. The view is absolutely wonderful. The outlet, or the water spigot right there. And this too is where all your water comes in. The city water comes in here, the electric comes in here. All the utilities come in right there. Your gas meters right behind those deer. And then this is, like I said, the view here is just absolutely spectacular. But anyway, this is our house, 111 Knox Street in Oquawka, Illinois. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching the video, guys.